Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make banana pudding, but we are going to do it with a twist. Because I cannot have all that sugar, we're doing a lighter version of it. The ingredients that you will need are some Nilla Wafers. We are using zero sugar-free vanilla jello pudding instead of banana, because the banana jello pudding is just too artificial tasting for me. So we're going to use vanilla instead. Now you will need just a tad of lemon juice to put the bananas in so that way they do not turn, and some milk in a measuring glass, plus some bananas. We are going to make a very light version of this banana pudding, and I hope all of you enjoy this version of it. If you cannot have the traditional banana pudding, my mom made that for years and years and years, but I just cannot have it no more, and our family just cannot because of the sugar content. So I want to still enjoy this, and we have come up with a recipe that's a little bit lighter, so that way we don't have all that sugar. Now what I'm going to do is, here is our sugar-free jello. We're using vanilla. I'm going to put this into a bowl right now, and we're going to pour in 3 cups of 2% milk. Now on the back of the box it says fat-free. We don't have fat-free milk in our refrigerator. We have 2%, so that's what we're going to use. So you're just going to pour in 2% milk, or whatever milk you have, into this bowl right here, and we're going to blend it. I've got our vanilla pudding in there, and we're pouring our 3 cups of milk. Alright, we've got our vanilla pudding all blended up. Sorry for that. My little dog goes schizoid when we put the mixer on, my little chihuahua. Now what I've done is I've cut up our 3 bananas, and you don't want them too small, you don't want them too thick. Now my hands are very clean. I'm going to show you how I cut my bananas. See that? It's not too thin, it's not too thick. So you want to make sure, I'm sorry for moving the camera around. I don't have my tripod here. I'm at a different house. Anyways, you want to make sure that you cut this up like not too thin and not too thick. As you can see, I've got my Nilla Wafers at the bottom right here, and they were turned over. My mom turned them all over like that, so anyways I flipped them over to the pretty side because I want them on a pretty side. Anyways, you can decorate however you want and stuff, so I'm just putting them around like that. Now what my mom has done is she has taken her pudding, and you can see we've got our pudding right here on top of our Nilla Wafers. Now I've got, as you can see, I've got the bananas on top of our vanilla pudding, and the first layer was the Nilla Wafers, then we did our vanilla pudding, and now we got our bananas on top, and now we're going to layer it again with our vanilla pudding. Now we have layered this with the wafers. As you can see, we got them all nice and pretty, and look how nice it looks. See the layering right there? We got the pudding, then we got the bananas, then we got the Nilla Wafers, everything. So this looks really good. You can, it's like layering lasagna. You can do this however you want to do it. Now we put the final layer of the vanilla pudding on. Now my mom's going to put the bananas on next. Okay, we finished up with the rest of our bananas that you can see. Alright, we put our remaining pudding on, and then my mom put the remaining left of, we still have quite a bit left of Nilla Wafers. Anyway, she decorated it around the bowl here. As you can see, she's decorated it real pretty and stuff, and it just makes enough. This makes enough for all of us, and we'll serve it for dessert tonight. But this is really good. See how it's all layered there, stacked and everything, and it just makes just enough. And this is a much lighter version of the original. Now we put it in one of these little airlock containers and it's ready to go. You can take this to a picnic, you can take this to, church Sunday, or you can take this to any type of party that you have. And it's a much lighter version, less heavy. Definitely, it's not sugary, except for the wafers, but it's not sugary or anything. You'll actually enjoy eating banana pudding. If you have a sugar problem like I do, and you just cannot have all that sugar, you'll definitely enjoy this recipe. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching this quick video on our banana pudding. That's a lighter version. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I want to thank all my subscribers. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.